All right, today's video, we're bringing back the DoorDash Uber Eats fiasco of us going to either Summerlin or Henderson to deliver some food and make a little bit of profit, potentially 40 to 50 bucks tonight. You know what I'm saying? That's what the video is about. What is going on, guys? It is Hunter. Welcome back to another banger of a video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today, we're going to be heading on our way to Henderson right now, guys. We're going to get to the zone and we're going to get to straight into it, all right? No bullshit, no wasting time. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. So we have arrived. That was only 30 seconds of the intro. Surprising, right? That was freaking awesome. Anyways, guys, we have arrived officially at the Henderson Green Valley area, another profitable area within the Vegas city. You know what I'm saying? Besides Summerlin, we decided to come back here. It is 5:03 p.m. I want to show you guys on the radio car interface CarPlay thing. We're gonna get these apps activated. Let's get them activated. Before we do that, I just want to let y'all know I'm thinking either I should implement my back testing trading clips that I recorded this morning or not. I have to get back home actually at least by 7:30, 7:45 at the most and wait for my 8 p.m. entry. I have to mark the chart of where I'm going to enter, and once it gets outside of the box, we can either go for a long or a short for this live demo trade today. So just want to keep you all updated with the trading stuff. I might implement them, might not, but let's get these DoorDash delivery apps activated. Here we go. Alrighty, guys, so we got our first official order. The offer was okay. It was alright, but it wasn't particularly the best order that we have gotten here. But it smells like this guy got some wings and stuff like that. It smells pretty damn delicioso. Sorry, I'm gonna close this door. Yeah, first order, guys. I'm gonna drop it off here, and hopefully we can snag a better offer. But $9, $9.05 potentially. We'll take what we can get. Very thankful for that. Here we go. Alrighty, guys, so we have completed that first order. On to the second one now. Let's get it, bro. And we gotta get back to the house by 7:30, hop on the charts, and enter for our live first demo trade, guys. We gonna get this. Here we go. Alrighty, guys, so we have another great order, high value $16 order, 7.3 miles. We got both these orders, one from a Mexican restaurant, one from a place called Faux King. Funny ass name. Anyways, I'm gonna drop these orders off. I just want to keep y'all updated that we're doing this DoorDash Uber Eats fiasco. And if you guys are enjoying the content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are going to be pumping out more trading content and this content as well. Let's get it, baby. Alrighty, guys, so we have returned from doing 2 DoorDash deliveries. I had to stop it here, but we have returned and we are on Asian session. We are live on the charts right now. We are demo trading on Bitcoin. As you guys can see, price is kind of consolidating right now within excuse me, oh my god. Ooh, don't worry, guys, I am not sick. But as you guys can see, we had the Asian session open candle until 8:15. We have correctly identified where the levels are. So right now, I'm going to take a look at this stuff. We are recording this live. We're going to see if we can execute a trade right now. Not right now, because what we're realistically looking for on the trading plan, before we do that, there was something that I need to do here. Hold on a second, guys. Last night, I swear I discovered, like, scale, stats, symbol. Percent, skill. Trying to figure this out, guys. It was like, oh, here we go. Coordinates. 108,000. Wait, where'd it go? Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna make another horizontal line, and then we're gonna do settings on this one. Now we're gonna go 107. All right, guys. And, okay, so I want to remove these lines off the charts so we don't get them confused here. Style, we're gonna make this red. Okay, and then on top we're gonna make this green. Move that because we don't want that. Cool, perfect. All right. All right, so we got the charts marked out. We have the high of the day, which is basically 108,000. So if it goes above this retest price, then it can go bullish. I do believe the way that direction is going, though, it could go bearish, most likely. See the way that price is consolidating within the time window. We're most likely going to be looking for entry outside of the trading window around just around maybe like 815, 315, trying the strategy again. So it's gonna be a sell or a buy. Probably gonna do a market order just for a quick entry, just to make sure that the strategy truly works, because we logged it today earlier, guys. If you guys want to see really quick, whilst we wait for this, right now it's 7:46 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm gonna wait. I don't want to bore you guys to death just by staring at the charts all day and just me looking at stuff. I just have to readjust the high of the day and then the low of the day, and that is what we're looking at. We just see a bunch of consolidation for the past few days, but yeah, looking to see if we can execute a trade exactly at the time we're supposed to. So enough with the yapping. I'm gonna wait till the entry's there, then we're gonna record this live session for you guys of when we enter into the trade, whether it goes long or short, we'll see. So I'll get back to you guys. All right, so we are back, we are live, we are ready to rumble. Right now we've waited, I think the 8:15 candle, excuse me, excuse me. All right, so I got my food, as you guys can see here. Yes, degeneracy at its finest. I know I should be eating it at home, but aside from that, we were talking about trading here. We are live in the demo account. We got stop loss. We got take profit. Right now, I'm going to turn this off because I haven't really hit anything that I'm looking for realistically. So okay, so I think a breakout is about to happen. It definitely broke above price. The 108, the 815 candle hasn't locked out quite yet. We are monitoring it right now. I'm going to watch Trading View as well. I got Trading View on. What time the session started. So most likely, it might break above this initial price. That's what we're looking at right now. Like I said, if we saw consolidation like this, no trade until 10 p.m. So signal it, letting them know that the E15 candle has closed. We have just about 13 minutes left on the candle, guys. We're going to be patiently waiting until we see movement. I just want to keep you guys updated here. I don't want to bore you guys, but yes, it has broke above. It might retest, and if it goes down, breaks below, then we can look for a short. But if it stays above 108,000, which 108,460, if it stays above this level that we marked, then we're going to be looking for a long. But yeah, so we're going to see what price does here. We're going to be patient with it, and then we're going to execute the trade and go from there. Here we go. All right, guys, we are back at the charts. I'm just keeping an eye on price. We're watching it right now. We got our execution live. We're going to be entering. We're just going to be doing a market buy. We're going to do the stop loss. We're going to do TP as well. And then we're going to figure out, like, buy or sell. Okay, we're going to be doing the buy side, potentially. So I just want to get the execution ready, what time we're going to be entering into the trade. But right now we're looking at the charts, guys. We got a minute 44 left into the quarter, 8:30 p.m. We're going to see what time, or I mean, not what time. Once it hits 8:30, we're going to see what price is going to be closing out at this candle wick here. And like I said, I have a feeling because price has been floating above the ranging high, which is 108,460. It's going for a long position. That is what I'm looking for. I am definitely looking to enter a potential long here, but we'll see. Like I said, but also we also got to be cautious because a fake breakout could happen. You know what I'm saying? So, hold on a second. Fake breakout could happen and could go to the downside. If that's the case, then we're out of the trade. You know what I'm saying? We're done for the day. You know what I'm saying? So we're not going to go too into it, but we are going to patiently wait here. I just want to keep you updated. I'm going to keep this rolling. We're counting down. I don't know if I'm going to implement this with the DoorDash Uber Eats stuff that I did earlier. I only completed, I think, 2 to 3 deliveries. That's about it. Funny enough, how I'm DoorDash delivering, and then I have some food on the way myself as well, just to save the time. So we got 30 seconds left on the chart, guys. We're going to see, like I said, I'm thinking of a long position here. So here we go. All right, we are looking at it. 20 seconds left. We're going to see what price closes at. There we go. Okay, 705. Fair value gap formed. I think we're definitely going for a long. All right, fellas, here we go. We're gonna go. Boom. And then take profit is going to be 108. Oops. 109. 195. And then stop loss 108, 206. Yep, I think that's good. Am I in the trade? I think I am. All right, guys, I think we entered into the trade. I hope I did. Let me see. Did I enter? Yep. Okay, we entered, guys. We are in the trade right now. We see price kind of rejecting here, live and direct. Take profit 110. Target. We actually put for 109, 195. We do see price rejecting here. And then, so we entered, what time did we enter? Okay, so we entered at 8:31. Let me make sure I journal this. All right, we see buyers pushing up. Like I said, if price goes down, we're gonna tighten stop loss. Like I said, if price floats around here, guys, we're gonna push up our stop loss just a little tighter. But that is initially the price that we're looking at. TP. So, so what's today? So I'm going to manually write this down, and then I'm going to actually start my digital transfer. Stop loss at 1,670. Firm, and then TP is going to be at 1,000. All right, there we go. We got set, fellas. All right, let's put that away. Okay, so all right, guys. So that's gonna do it for the trading session on the demo account today, and that's gonna also do it for food delivery on DoorDash and Uber Eats. For the DoorDash and Uber Eats portion of the video, you guys already saw we accumulated a total of 32 buckaroos for today, snagging just about four deliveries in total. Technically, it's basically the last $16 order I did was two separate orders, so I had to do back to back deliveries basically, and the other one was just one full delivery, which was from DoorDash. And what I like about DoorDash is when you get a really good high value order like that, or a dollar, like a high value order that's $9, 2.3 miles, for example, media accept, and then you get a guaranteed payout after you complete the delivery. That's what I really like. And for the trading session today, guys, what stood out to me was I finally am understanding my strategy that me and the AI had come up with, and you guys will see it in the recording if you guys made it this far into the video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning into this channel. The views have been going up recently. The likes, engagement also been slowly but surely going up. So thank you guys so much again, and thank you so much for the new viewers tuning into the channel. So my goal is to fuse both and show you guys the food delivery content and the trading content all in one. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to call it a night. I hope you guys have a good night, good day, whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Sayonara.